Fucking idiot blew the door off. Nice going! Blew his own door off. Sorry, I'm multitasking right now. I thought you saw me. Look at him just going about his fucking day when he just committed a crime. I just heard this big loud crash. And then that happened. Did you guys see that? No, buddy. The door went right off the hinges. Right there.
Yeah, the old guy's there too.
Yeah, he's like so like confused about what to do. I'm videotaping him for like 3 minutes.
Well, yeah, he opened up the garage door, fucking all that wind. Fucking took her. Yeah.
What is
see all the fucking? You can see all the screws on the inside. Fucking with screws about that long. Come right out.
I received my diagnosis about 2.5 years ago.
Like, what would you think after that? Like, I'd go. Like, I'd run. It's probably gonna have to pay for that.
The altars coming out because
No, that's the caretaker is right there. Look, the guy that's at the door in the doorway.
Oh, that's him.
He's holding on to his head. Yeah.
everything no attention to blankets or a lot of years.
He's just trying to rip the rest of the...
No, he just rolled around with a screwdriver there. He don't know what to do.
He's just making it look like he's doing something.
Very heavy object and
Piece of shit.
Saying goes, when in dope, fake it.
That's the same guy? You know what? Yeah, it is.
coming to was being on my
So they're taking up the chain now.
it was everything about it.
Came right off.
On my
Must have been the wind.
Oh yeah, the wind.
Yeah.
So the wind looked it right around.